Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Hit and Run DWI Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with Hit and Run DWI in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your Hit and Run DWI charge. Contact one of our Missouri Hit and Run DWI defense lawyers today at 314-900. Help to protect your rights and future. Combs. Waterkotte is committed to handling all Hit and Run DWI defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our Hit and Run DWI lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Hit and Run DWI Lawyer in Missouri. Getting into a car accident is not a fun experience for anyone, but getting into a car accident while you are intoxicated is an entirely different problem altogether. DUI and DWI-related accidents are not uncommon in St. Louis and throughout Missouri, and, unfortunately, many of these accidents coincide with another crime, leaving the scene of an accident. Many St. Louis drunk drivers are not making sound judgments when they get behind the wheel, and if they strike another person or car, the chances are high that they will panic and drive away from the scene. If you or someone you know happens to be facing Hit and Run DWI charges in St. Louis, Missouri, knowing a strong criminal defense attorney is critical. Combs Waterkotte is an experienced St. Louis and Missouri DWI defense firm that has helped many clients from all walks of life defend themselves against Hit and Run DWI charges. Our firm gives personalized attention to every one of their DWI cases and works aggressively to get you an optimal outcome. You don't have to go through this alone. Contact one of our DWI lawyers today at 314-900. Help to protect your freedom. Our firm begins all our Hit and Run DWI cases in St. Louis with a personal, one-on-one conversation with clients. We will go over all the facts of the case with you, workshop an effective defense and legal strategy, and answer any questions you might have about the Hit and Run DWI legal process. Our attorneys are open to listen to your ideas of how to proceed, and after this meeting we will present you with a strong, proven plan of attack, along with what outcomes you can expect. Combs. Waterkotte stops at nothing to get a favorable outcome for their clients. We review every evidence file, look for extenuating circumstances, and are experts at finding flaws that can change the outcome of your case. Our firm is one of the best-reviewed criminal defense law firms in St. Louis, Missouri, because we place our clients at the center of everything we do. We promise that you will be able to have 24/7 access to the attorney working on your case. We'll pursue every legal avenue to eliminate the legal consequences of the DWI or DUI charges against you in St. Louis, or severely limit them. But if the evidence is stacked against you, or you made a terrible mistake you regret, we'll still represent you and work to get the best possible resolution for you, your loved ones, and your future. Call Combs Waterkotte right away at 314-900. Help or contact us online. What is the Hit and Run DWI law in Missouri? Missouri law, Missouri Revised Statutes, Section 5706 to be specific, clearly lays out what any driver who has been in an accident must do in the immediate aftermath of an accident. Not performing any one of these requirements constitutes leaving the scene of an accident, which is a Class A misdemeanor all by itself. However, Charges drastically increase depending on the damage incurred as a result of your hit-and-run DWI accident. It only takes $1,000 worth of damage to the other car, or any injury, for a hit-and-run charge to be upgraded to a Class E felony. These charges are in addition to whatever DWI charges you may be facing. After an accident, drivers in Missouri must immediately stop and/or move to a safe area away from traffic. Exchange information, name, address, driver's license number, insurance, and registration with the other driver. Call the police to report the accident. Under Revised Statutes of Missouri, Section 303.04. The following types of accidents must be reported: an accident that caused an injury, an accident that caused a death, an accident that caused over $500 of property damage. Can my license be revoked after a hit-and-run DWI in St. Louis or Missouri? Depending on the jurisdiction that tried your Missouri hit-and-run DWI case, your driving privileges may also automatically be revoked regardless of whether your DWI charges were dismissed or dropped. Missouri's license point system has a maximum 12-point penalty for leaving the scene of an accident, which is an instant revocation of your driving license, as the law calls for a 365-day driving ban if someone gets 12 points on their license in a 12-month span. You will also see your car insurance rates drastically increase, as well as being required to have an SR-22 insurance form on file with the state that proves your insurance meets Missouri's minimum liability standards. What can a St. Louis hit-and-run DWI attorney do for me and my case? Our skilled and experienced DWI attorneys understand the complexities of St. Louis and Missouri hit-and-run laws and are devoted to offering you strategic and effective legal representation to protect your rights and future. Benefits of hiring Combs Waterkotte for your case include legal expertise. Our legal team possesses in-depth knowledge of both DWI laws and hit-and-run statutes. We understand the nuances of handling cases involving these two offenses simultaneously. Investigation and evidence gathering. Our hit-and-run DWI attorney will conduct a thorough investigation into the circumstances of the incident. This may involve gathering evidence related to the DWI arrest, assessing the details of the accident, and examining witness statements. Gathering evidence early is crucial for your defense. Negotiation skills. Our hit-and-run DWI lawyers are experienced in negotiating with prosecutors. We may explore options for plea bargains or reduced charges, and we'll always have your best interests in mind. Protecting your rights. Throughout the entire legal process, your Combs Waterkotte attorney will make sure that your constitutional rights are protected. This includes safeguarding you from unlawful search and seizures, ensuring due process, and protecting your right to a fair trial. Contact a leading hit-and-run DWI attorney in St. Louis, Missouri today. Our personalized approach to DWI cases means that we look at every single fact related to your situation and craft a unique defense strategy driven to get you the best possible results. Contact us to discuss your St. Louis, Missouri hit-and-run DWI case, but before that, we invite you to see what some of the Combs Waterkotte's previous clients have had to say about their experience working with us.